Hi everyone, it's Jay from Showtime Fireworks, and in today's video we'll be firing this ASYLUM Pack by Vivid Pyrotechnics. This ASYLUM Pack was voted the best Barrage pack in 2021 and in 2022 and consists of 9 individual cakes. These cakes have a mixture of 20mm, 25mm and 30mm tube size. This pack has just over 2,300 grams of NEC. These are very powerful, loud, colourful, and have lots of really good effects, which you would expect from Vivid Pyrotechnics. This also contains a finale cake, which is a 64-shot Professor X, which is extremely loud and fast firing. Also, this video will be fired in threes, so you've got the 3 20mm, the 3 25mm, plus the 2 30mm, and this Professor X in the middle. And here it goes. That was brilliant. Had lots of really good effects, had really good vivid colours, as you would expect from Vivid Pyrotechnics. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one.